What is up, guys? Robeytech here. Big day, right, Maddie?
Yeah.
Okay, so people who may not know who you are you, who is your daddy, and what does he do?
My name is Madeline, and this is my dad. And you build PCs, and you order us food.
Okay, there we go. That seems better. A modern day father, modern day working dad. Now you are a PC gamer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what games do you play?
Let's see. I play Rocket League, Fortnite. I play Roblox a lot.
Roblox a lot?
Roblox. I play COD, and that's about it.
What is it like gaming on a PC that you built? Do you think about that at all?
No.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Here we are, we're standing in my playroom, so to speak, and I had all these toys. And what do you think about Dad's room?
It's very dad of you. This is like.
What is the most dad thing in here?
It's blue.
Okay,
You're
so
like obsessed with blue.
I love blue. Blue is my. I got a lot of blue on right now.
know.
You have aspirations of becoming like an interior designer. Like that's a passion you have, right? Tell me a little bit about the vibe you're trying to get out of your room.
It's kind of just like a safe space for me rather than.
For me?
Yeah.
You wanted something like super unique to you.
Yeah.
Now tell me about when you heard about this RAZER thing.
So my dad came up to me, he was like, RAZER has this new PC accessory gaming thing. I was like, what are you talking about? So he showed me a picture and I was like, oh my goodness, it was so awesome. I thought it was really cool.
And who was the character that this whole thing was built around?
Built around Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Isn't that the song? Is there a Hello Kitty song? Sing it.
No.
Okay. Since then, you've actually started to kind of accessorize your room, knowing that RAZER said, hey, we're totally down to hook up Maddie and let her have this whole setup, which huge shout out to RAZER for sending Madeline this stuff, and obviously also to NZXT for doing the PC setup. But now, why don't we go ahead and get it built, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole setup inside the room. What do you think, Mads?
It's adorable.
Oh, look at the bow.
Oh my goodness.
For those of you who don't know, Papa Robeytech, by the way, and Papa Robeytech is actually part of the team. He's an executive producer here. He keeps us all in line, doesn't he, Josiah? That's right, nod with the camera. Not with the camera, but yes, he does. Dad, that's step 8. You're not even going in order!
That's when I pulled out of the box first.
Looks like Glenn's just pretty much gone rogue at this point. Look, she's flipping you off. Chair is done. I think it came out pretty cool. You don't even need a bed or anything else, just this chair.
Just the chair.
Just the chair, that's all you need. Yep. Well, Maddie, this feels very you. It looks incredible. I think you did an awesome job. You've got NZXT Poochie over there. You've got your RAZER Hello Kitty stuff. What do you think? What did you think of it?
I love it. I feel like my room is finally finished.
Huge shout out to RAZER, right?
Yeah.
And
Thank you, guys.
NZXT, obviously, for the hookup, but RAZER specifically for all the Hello Kitty gear, which is really what we wanted to show you today. NZXT had their time in the light when we actually did the build, but RAZER, what do you think of the quality of the stuff?
I think it's super detailed and super extra, and I love everything about it.
That's so awesome. Anyway, guys, I would love to know what you think of videos like this. When we're doing like room designs or doing little vlogs like this, if this kind of stuff is interesting, we try and keep it short and entertaining, but let us know all that stuff down in the comments below. While you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we go live right here on Robeytech or post a new video. Madeline, thank you very much. I think you're an awesome daughter. Whoever raised you really had the goods. That's all I gotta say. But anyway, guys, that is it for this episode of Robeytech. Any closing thoughts, Maddie?
No.
No? Okay, that's
Bye.
absolutely it. Thank you very much, RAZER, and we will see you guys on the next episode.